Today, I'm doing a quick legit check on Lucy and Claire Charleston, the site lucyandclaircharleston.com. And honestly, there are a few red flags you should know about before spending your money. First, despite branding themselves like a local Charleston boutique, a lot of customer reports suggest this isn't a real in-store business. Instead, items often appear to ship from overseas warehouses, usually China, which already raises questions about transparency. Second, the return policy looks good on the surface, but buyers say it's not really practical. You may have to pay expensive international return shipping, which basically makes refunds unrealistic. And third, product quality seems to be a big issue. Many customers report that what arrives doesn't match the photos, with cheaper materials and inconsistent sizing. So overall, based on common customer feedback, I'd be very cautious here. It might look like a boutique deal, but the risk may outweigh the value.